Imagine a world where intricate tools are crafted not by hand, but by light, layer by layer, with precision and speed. Picture buildings rising not from concrete and steel, but from digital blueprints, materializing layer by layer, transforming our skylines. This is not science fiction, but the burgeoning reality of 3D printing, a technology poised to reshape our world as profoundly as the internet or the internal combustion engine. From the mundane to the miraculous, 3D printing is weaving its way into every aspect of human endeavor, changing how we create. Already it's used to create everything from prosthetic limbs to rocket parts, pushing the boundaries of innovation. From personalized jewelry to life-saving medical implants, the applications are vast and varied, and this is just the beginning of what we can achieve. As we continue to unlock the secrets of this transformative technology, the possibilities seem limitless and boundless. Join me as we explore the exciting world of 3D printing and discover how it is revolutionizing our world, from the smallest cells to the vast expanse of outer space. The future is being printed one layer at a time, and it is a future brimming with possibility and innovation. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, might sound like something out of Star Trek, but its basic principles are surprisingly straightforward. Imagine a machine that can print three-dimensional objects just as easily as your inkjet printer churns out documents. Instead of ink, 3D printers use a variety of materials, from plastics to metals to even chocolate. These materials are fed into the printer in the form of a filament or powder. The printer then follows a digital blueprint, laying down the material layer by microscopic layer. Each layer bonds to the one beneath it, slowly building the object from the bottom up. It's a bit like building a sandcastle, grain by grain, except with lasers, robots, and a level of precision that would make a Swiss watchmaker proud. This process, though seemingly simple, allows for the creation of objects with incredible complexity and detail, objects that were once impossible to create using traditional manufacturing methods. Perhaps the most awe-inspiring application of 3D printing lies in the realm of medicine. Scientists are now using this technology to create living tissue, a field known as bioprinting. Imagine a future where organ donation waiting lists are a thing of the past. Instead of waiting for a donor, doctors could simply print a new organ for a patient using their own cells. While this might sound like science fiction, it's closer to reality than you might think. Already, researchers have successfully bioprinted skin, cartilage, and even simple organs like bladders. The implications of this technology are staggering. It holds the potential to revolutionize healthcare, offering hope to millions suffering from organ failure. Bioprinting is not just about creating organs. It's also being used to print personalized medications, to develop new drug delivery systems, and even to create models of tumors to help doctors plan surgeries with pinpoint accuracy. Section 4, the sixth finger 3. D-printing prosthetics and enhanced mobility. For those who have lost limbs, 3D printing is offering a new lease on life. Prosthetic limbs, once clunky and expensive, can now be custom designed and printed to perfectly fit an individual's body. These prosthetics are lighter, more comfortable, and more affordable than ever before. But 3D printing's impact goes beyond simply replacing lost limbs. It's allowing us to augment our bodies, to enhance our capabilities. Researchers are developing 3D printed exoskeletons that can give people superhuman strength or help those with paralysis walk again. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Imagine a future where 3D printed implants could enhance our senses, allow us to interface directly with computers, or even grant us new abilities altogether. The line between human and machine is blurring, and 3D printing is the ink in this remarkable transformation. Section 5, Cosmic Construction 3, D-printing in the final frontier. The final frontier is no longer a distant dream, and 3D printing is playing a key role in our journey to the stars. For NASA and other space agencies, 3D printing offers a revolutionary solution to the challenges of space travel. Instead of painstakingly transporting every tool and spare part from Earth, astronauts could simply print them on demand, using materials found on the Moon or Mars. This could drastically reduce the cost and complexity of space missions, making it possible to establish permanent outposts on other planets. Imagine astronauts on Mars, using 3D printers to create habitats, tools, and even food, all from Martian resources. This self-sufficiency will be crucial for the long-term exploration and colonization of space. From rocket engines to satellites to entire space stations, 3D printing is poised to become an indispensable tool for our exploration of the cosmos. Section 6. Building the future one layer at a time, 3D printing and construction. Back on Earth, 3D printing is transforming the way we build our cities and homes. Imagine houses, bridges, and even skyscrapers, all printed layer by layer with incredible speed and precision. This is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a rapidly emerging reality. 3D printed buildings offer numerous advantages over traditional construction methods. They can be built faster, with less waste, and at a lower cost. They can be designed with complex geometries and intricate details that would be impossible to achieve with conventional methods. In the realm of education, 3D printing is ushering in a new era of interactive and immersive learning experiences, transforming traditional classrooms into hubs of innovation. From elementary schools to universities, educators are leveraging this technology to make learning more engaging and hands-on, bridging the gap between theory and practice. Imagine a biology class where students can hold and examine 3D printed models of cells, organs, and even entire ecosystems, bringing textbook illustrations to life. These tangible representations help students grasp complex concepts with ease, making abstract ideas more concrete and understandable. In engineering and design programs, 3D printing allows students to bring their ideas to life, turning their creative visions into physical objects. They can prototype their inventions, test their designs, and refine their skills in a way that was previously unimaginable, fostering a culture of innovation. This hands-on experience not only enhances their understanding, but also prepares them for the future workforce, equipping them with essential skills. Furthermore, 3D printing is breaking down barriers in special education, offering new possibilities for personalized learning. Customized learning aids and adaptive tools can be designed and printed to meet the unique needs of each student, fostering an inclusive learning environment where everyone can thrive. As 3D printing continues to evolve, its impact on education will only grow, empowering the next generation of innovators and problem solvers to tackle real-world challenges. Gap 3 IS. Section 7, Revolutionizing Education, 3D Printing in the Classroom. From interactive learning tools to hands-on engineering experience, 3D printing is transforming education, making it more dynamic and student-centered. Imagine students holding 3D printed models of cells in biology class or prototyping their inventions in engineering programs, experiencing the joy of creation. This technology is making learning more engaging, inclusive, and practical, preparing students for a future where innovation knows no bounds and creativity is the key to success. As we look ahead, the future of 3D printing is brimming with limitless possibilities and groundbreaking advancements. This technology is evolving at a rapid pace, promising to revolutionize various sectors. Imagine a world where this technology evolves to print with a variety of materials, from advanced polymers to metals and even complex composites. The versatility of 3D printing materials is expanding, opening up new avenues for innovation. This evolution could lead to innovations we can scarcely dream of today. The potential for creating intricate designs and complex structures is virtually limitless. In the realm of healthcare, 3D printing might one day produce fully functional organs tailored specifically to each patient's genetic makeup. This could drastically improve patient outcomes and reduce waiting times. This could revolutionize organ transplants, making donor shortages a thing of the past. The implications for medical science are profound and far-reaching. Furthermore, the ability to bioprint complex tissues could open new frontiers in regenerative medicine, offering hope to countless individuals. This technology could pave the way for unprecedented medical treatments. In the automotive and aerospace industries, 3D printing is poised to redefine manufacturing processes. The precision and efficiency of 3D printing can lead to significant advancements in these fields. Imagine aircraft and spacecraft components that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient, crafted with a precision that traditional methods can't match. This could revolutionize how we build and maintain these vehicles. This could lead to more sustainable and cost-effective travel, both on Earth and beyond. The environmental benefits alone could be transformative. The fashion industry is also on the cusp of transformation, with designers exploring 3D printed garments and accessories that push the boundaries of creativity and sustainability. This could lead to a new era of fashion innovation. Custom-fit clothing and innovative designs could become the new norm, reducing waste and promoting a more eco-friendly approach to fashion. The potential for personalized fashion is immense. Even in our everyday lives, 3D printing could become as commonplace as a microwave or a smartphone. This technology could integrate seamlessly into our daily routines. Picture a future where you can download a design and print household items, tools, or even food right in your own home. The convenience and customization options are endless. This convenience could revolutionize how we consume and interact with products. The impact on consumer behavior and product availability could be profound. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, its potential applications across various industries are boundless. The scope of what can be achieved is only limited by our imagination. From healthcare to aerospace, fashion to everyday living, this technology is set to reshape our world in unimaginable ways. The future is bright and full of potential. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating objects, it's about forging a new reality layer by layer. This transformative technology is set to change the world.